create a metal band, we can go into speed builds and ask for metal band. This needs a profile curve. You can create your own curve, or in the libraries tab, curves, you have a lot of options readily available. For example, if I want to go for a comfort fit, of course I have different types of comfort fit curves. You can search them. So let's say I want this rounded one. Right click and import it. Specify your diameter, let's say 21, and select the curve. The band will be generated as per the curve. So if I were to refresh this and I want to check its dimensions, I'm opting for O-snap with midpoint. This is 2.5 and this is currently 1.48. If this is fine with me, so be it. If not, modify it to your requirements and simply select the curve to get a metal band ready for your perusal. To check its metal value, you can again go into the total metal, select objects, calculate volume, choose the metal of your choice. So let's say we go in for 950 platinum, calculate the weight, and you'll get the final weight as per your loss expectation as well. This may be reduced because there is less amount of filing, polishing involved in a simple metal, so you can calculate accordingly. I'm opting in for a simple ray traced output.